Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for August 31st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Bristol-Myers Squibb entered into an agreement for an exclusive right to acquire Promedior and gain global rights to its lead asset, PRM-151, in Phase 2 development for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis and myelofibrosis. Under the deal, payments to Promedior could potentially reach $1.25 billion, which includes an upfront cash payment of $150 million for the right to acquire Promedior and subsequent clinical and regulatory milestones. Also featured, Depomed stated in a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing that it set a record date of October 29 to determine shareholders entitled to request a special meeting to vote on Horizon Pharma's revised offer. Depomed's board recently rejected Horizon Pharma's revised takeover proposal that potentially included a cash component of up to 25%. In other news, Sanofi and the life sciences team at Google announced a partnership under which the companies will use data and miniaturized technology to provide patients with type 1 and type 2 diabetes more tools to self-manage their disease. Sanofi CEO Olivier Brandicourt said this initiative combines Sanofi's strength and knowledge in diabetes with Google's leadership in technology and analytics to create a first-of-its-kind initiative with the potential to transform diabetes care. In addition, Bayer said that by year's end it will expand the clinical development program for finerenone, also known as BAY94-8862, with 3 Phase 3 studies in patients with chronic heart failure and patients with diabetic kidney disease. According to Bayer, the initiation of the Phase 3 FINESSE-HF study in chronic heart failure is based on promising data from the exploratory Phase 2b ARTS-HF study, which was presented at ESC Congress 2015. And finally, Alnylam and the Medicines Company presented Phase 1 data at the ESC Congress 2015 for the experimental RNA therapeutic ALN-PCSsc to treat hypercholesterolemia. According to the companies, the highly durable effects of the first-in-class PCSK9 synthesis inhibitor included clinically significant reductions in LDL cholesterol that were maintained for more than 140 days, allowing for a once-quarterly dosing regimen or possibly even biannual administration. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.